I got the new tag. There it is. Got my stamp set there. Marked it all out. Made a few practice runs, and I think I got pretty lucky. It looks like it's about right. And now I got to get over here a little bit and put the rest of the numbers on. So we're gonna see how that goes. Okay, I got stamped. The 4 didn't come out too good. It's supposed to be 5014, but after looking at the number 4 on that little stamp set, it's a little wiggly wobbly. It looks like it's been hit a few times, and I think that was the only 4 that was in there. But it looked pretty good, and we're gonna get it on that generator. Okay, I've got the tag on there, and I got the little baby rivets in the holes. I've never done this before. I'm assuming you just tap them in with a hammer. I don't know. Let's find out. Couple of taps with the old hammer, and there it is. There's the tag. Looks pretty good. Now I gotta get after the rest of the car. No problem.